against Slarka. Slarka is our opponent. I think we're going to keep this hand. I mean, I like the 2 and 3 play. I hope. Oh god, it's I hate growth. Why is everyone playing growth? Like, why in the world is everyone doing this? Oh, how much is Burden Veil again? I wonder if Burden Veil is like 2 or 3. Because I mean, ideally. Alright, let's try that. Sure, ideally I want. I mean, if he plays Verdant Veil right now. Oh. No, that's interesting. So. I guess I'm just playing that. Playing him. Slarga. Oh, you have Slarga? Holy shit, dude. I'm so scared. He now has. Well, I think this is one of those games where you. Oh, I really want to play that. I really want to play the Reaver though. So that's the Reaver. Get out aggression. Like, I think we might need it. Else he's going to like outpace image and resources and everything. Like he's already up. No, he's not a resource. He's up. Oh. Plus. Oh, another Reaver. I would so like to play those. So we play. Give us more options here and. Wait, what? Oh yeah. Man, like Berserkers are so good against my type. And an Oak Blood. So I really need a Violent Dispersal if this is ever going to work. Or that, I mean. Oh, this is not going to do damage, is it? It is. Fuck, dude. I hate this. I hate this combo already. Oh, what? So this is Oak Blood doing. Wow, this is such an annoying. Such an annoying combo, dude. Ooh, yeah. Yeah, give it more attack. You think you got the oil thing. Okay, I could. Actually, no, this would not be enough. Oh. This sucks, dude. Well, if I draw a Violence Person. Actually, I can do 4 damage right. Which, if. Holy crap. He still has 5 growth. Is this guy relentless? No. I don't think so. What the hell? I think he might have messed up. Oh no, man. Oh, this is 4, this is 1, this is 5. So this is another 4. Uh, 3, 4. I can do 4 damage. 4 damage. I can potentially kill this thing. But I have... Hmm? Oh yeah, that's right. That shit. Strength of my... I just hope he cannot, you know... He cannot. Oh god. Well, he does that. Which is fine. Slaughter, man. This is like the most annoying deck. And I hate that Oak Blood has my armor 1. It's such an annoying effect to deal with. And I also would have gotten the thing. The church is so good. Right here, right now, I'm gonna do it. I know I'm to lose all of my stuff, but no. He's betting like all of his... He needs to kill that. He has to move on, or else he's giving me free party. Okay. Yeah. Oh, what the hell? Wait, this is not... Oh. This is the luckiest bitch ever. I cannot believe that shit. Well then. So we're going to actually... Yeah. I think we're going to do that. I don't know, man. I literally don't know, because... You know what? I think I'm going to do it this way. Because I don't think there's a way that he cannot be. I mean, I hope. So this is 5 damage. Okay. Oh, does he have rally or something? No, he doesn't. So this could potentially be pretty amazing. Okay. So we're going to go like this. Oh, what the fuck? I did have... Oh, no, I'm an idiot. I am officially an idiot. Okay. Well, he can kill my ether pump if he wants to. Like, no. Okay. He really got rolling though. Emotional. Okay, well, you got the potion, dude. You got the potion. Oh man. All of this is good. I want to like sacrifice anything. At this stage of the game, this is like amazing. Boom. Boom. Okay. You are the strength so is he able to kill my Ether Bomb? Probably, yes. Man, this deck is so well thought out. Holy crap. He has 4 energy and like so much growth. Okay. Okay. So I could just, you know, I mean, I should actually still have, yeah. Okay, so I think. Okay. I think my best player would be pull this thing off. This is still under the you know, under the influence of evil. We're gonna play the Fog Library here. And then we're going to pass the turn. And hopefully, like, he has 2 stuck cards on him. Like, I would even burn this guy. Without getting the card draw, because you would still lose 3 stack cards. Yeah. So, oh god. There. Die. I would rather, I guess, kill this thing. Or if, I wonder. Oh god, weakling too. So. Yeah, okay. So if this goes down, which it fortunately doesn't, he would have been in a pretty good spot. So playing around Thunder Surges, kind of. Although is he? Takes a okay, I'm going to get rid of this thing. Ooh. Okay. This will heal again. However, if he Oaksplit that, I'm gonna be so fucking mad. Uh-oh. No! Oh god, he Oaksploited the wrong thing. How would you Oaksplit that? This makes sense. Does it? Holy shit. I don't know, dude. Yeah, you're. Well, I could do that. Yes. Oh shit, dude. Could I do the double VD shit? Could I go? Yeah. Could go double VD. Which would still. I want to VD. That's the question. I could also VD burn. I think I'll do this for now. And then like that I would have 7. Else I would have 8. Well, 7 I guess. I mean, card adventures is key right now. What do you... Holy shit, okay. Boom, 7. 1, 2, 3. this is pretty good. He also has a sister. Oh, yeah. Okay, good. I get it. And a fertile soil, which sucks. But, yeah. Because I'm gonna be D that next turn. Another one. Fuck. Oh, man. This really is annoying. Okay, so... Ooh, maybe I'm not feeding it. So I'm a totally bark bad guy. Then I'm a totally do this. And then I'm a totally end my turn. I have card advantage, but this is questionable. So I can drop giants now, which is nice. Oh man. The clock library. And stack art. And a champion ring. Is this your turn? This is. So we are going to get rid of. Oh, we can't. We're going to get rid of Thunder Surge. And are going to kill his. Okay. Okay. Well, that's no brainer. I think. Ooh. Actually, oh well. We also could we play something else for 3? We could. But I'd rather have under hand. And threaten the clock library, man. Threatening the library. So next turn, I need to be. Holy shit, that works. Lol. Machination mindset. Well, that makes this one potentially. What I'm just going to burn it. And then I'm just going to play this guy and this guy. And then I'm going to just play. Well, then I'm going to just sacrifice. And then I'm going to just move up. Ooh. Oh. I didn't know you could rally a library. That's interesting. Oh god, another one. It's like straight up. So we could do 7 damage. Hmm. So 1, 7, and then burn. So we could theoretically kill this guy next turn. Oh man, I hate this combo. So good. Makes the... Oh, I was like, why is he doing that? Okay, so we have 1 damage. 1, 2, 3, 4 damage. 4 damage. And then 6 would be enough. But there's also... those... Wait, this is 8 damage, right? So this does 7. And this does 4, which is... So this is enough. Like... Boom. Boom! Yeah! And then we just... get rid of one of this. Having like a zillion of them doesn't really... False, it would have hit them. But I couldn't know that, so... I always have to spend so much removal on that stupid combo. So fucking retarded. And more cards for him. So that cycle really keeps him in play. However, it's really like, you know. So we're gonna kill this lane next turn if he doesn't have anything. He also kinda needs to kill my library. And Slarga and his deck. Oh god, another one. Oh god, a fucking potion. So can we do 4 damage now? You know what? I'ma just play the Thea. Fuck, I shouldn't have... Lol. I shouldn't have done this, because now it's gonna give him more attack. I'm an idiot, I never think look, I like never play against this card. It was a 4-4, now it's a 5-4, how did I not think that? That's so retarded. So he can make this card really huge, yeah he does. Really? Okay. Don't you want to do that? I think he's kind of desperate. Now what? I cannot do anything. this and this so I can have more hard draw. Hit the that would have been so glorious. Now it's a 6-10. See, that's what I mean. It's so retarded. Oh man. Potion of resistance, yo. I hate these cards. Really? Did I play this here? I think it's gonna be fun. Do you not care for your creatures? Apparently you fucking don't. Okay, well. I guess that's the thing. You still have potion, yeah, it still has potion. But so I think we will be just playing that thing. I don't know. I don't have just the thing. 7-10 now. But it should, yeah, it loses its protection. So it has to pull that. Well, he has to. Oh man. And next turn I did a bunch of cards. Again. Oh man. He's moving down whatever he plays. But champion ring. Still not enough. Well, it is an optical, but oh yeah, this makes sense. And another potion. Now that's interesting. Ooh. Alright, so we could just do. Well, GG, dude. Bombard. GG. Yeah. Yeah. Piercing shots. Wow, that was hard, and he's only a caller. He has a very interesting. Maybe I'm just bad though. Oh.